Hello guys, welcome to Eco English Learning. Today's topic is apostrophe. Apostrophe is the English punctuation mark. We call it as loose cannon of the punctuation world. This apostrophe is used while writing, but while speaking it also serves many purposes. These are different types, like we use it in English. One thing is to show the contracted form, second one is to show the belonging, and the third one is to show the plurality of digits or letters or numbers. The first one, to show the contracted form. If we have to use two words in one form, like for example, if you have to say do not touch that flower, you will be telling don't touch that flower. I have contracted do not as don't. Same shortened forms can be made otherwise also, like shall not can be changed to shan't, will not to won't, and cannot to can't, they have to they have, she is to she is. Many contracted forms are used. These are short forms and we call this process as elision. Elision means omitting some of the letters to form the shortened form or contracted form of the words. When not is used, it is usually contracted with the helping verb, like are not, aren't, is not, isn't. While speaking, we do not speak this apostrophe, but we make that contracted sound. But while writing, we do use that apostrophe on the top of the line. So one thing to make it signifies elision, that is omission of some of the letters and making contracted forms. The second purpose that we take from that we use apostrophe is to show the belonging. Belonging is shown to a subject. Subject may be singular, subject may be plural. If subject is singular or singular noun with that we are using this apostrophe, we can say that a girl's bag. We can say that a child's toy. So we use apostrophe s. But when we are talking about plural nouns, those nouns which end in s while making plural, we don't use s after apostrophe. We cannot use girls's. No. Girls already has taken s while making it a plural, and we need to use only apostrophe at the end to show belonging. For example, girls' bags. Girls, then only apostrophe is required, then plural bags. Also, those nouns which do not end in s while changing their form to plural form, they are treated like singular nouns. For example, I told you a child's toy, apostrophe s. Then if we have to show plural, children's toys, we shall be writing children, apostrophe s. Same way like we have told child's toys, because children is not ending with s. There are some problems related with the use of apostrophe. For example, common word mistaken is its. It, one is apostrophe s, another is it without apostrophe s. While pronouncing, we say its, but their usage is different. It means something, that is telling about noun as the subject. Its, it apostrophe s means it is, and its means showing the belonging. So we speak its, but while writing, apostrophe shows the difference between how it is being used. Second problem with it is that many people use this apostrophe s to make noun as plural. No need to do that. And if we do that, this is called greengrocer's apostrophe. Greengrocer's apostrophe. Sometimes you must have read that on the boxes, on the cartons, it is written that apples box. So apples is plural, there is no requirement of apostrophe here. So if you find this apostrophe in the use of plural nouns, it is wrong. Avoid that. It shows only contracted form and the belonging, not in making plural things. Yeah, we can use this apostrophe to tell any letter or any digit in plural form. For example, please cross your P's and Q's. This is an idiom. It means to get ready. Please cross your P's and Q's. P letter apostrophe s, then Q letter apostrophe s. It shows the plurality of P and Q. Or you can also write like this or say like this. He has used 5 sevens in a line. 5 sevens. 7 is a digit. I am showing the polarity of that digit, repetition of that digit. It means it has been repeated 5 times. 5 sevens. Here you can write apostrophe S. So this is all about apostrophe, and it is used most often as a beautiful punctuation mark. Now this video's question is also based on apostrophe. What you have to tell? You have to tell that which language this apostrophe word is derived from. Which language this word apostrophe is derived from. And plus one question on this apostrophe again. What is the literal meaning of apostrophe? What is the literal meaning or meaning of apostrophe? You have to write answers, of course, in the comment box as early as possible.